DPA is a real-time production management system. Our specialization is connecting CNC machines, collecting and analyzing machine data, and building management systems based on reliable information obtained from equipment. We provide ready-made configurations for all popular brands, and we also specialize in developing additional drivers for production equipment. DPA implements a processing pipeline from low-level raw machine data to high-level analytics and integration protocols. The system receives real-time information from equipment via secure protocols, OPCUA, OPCDA, MT Connect, MQTT, including specific ones, Step 7, Focus, BICOM, Modbus, and others. We provide OPCUA servers for all popular CNC and PLC controller models. Development of OPCUA servers is our undeniable advantage. Even for outdated production equipment, our team can, in most cases, find a technical solution for connecting and collecting machine data. Connect machines of all popular models and brands in just 2 minutes using the plug-and-play principle. Then, immediately receive machine data in basic analytics, such as a technological diagram, where the machine's operation is tracked in real time, including values of technological parameters and their deviations from target values. After accumulating machine data, analyze the machine's operation in detail. In which technological modes did the equipment operate? How were the cycles of control programs executed? Deviations from the specified process, incidents and failures, downtimes, product output, operator actions. Production tracking is organized based on machine data, providing an objective picture of production plan progress and equipment utilization efficiency. By analyzing equipment downtime causes, DPA identifies problematic areas in production. Downtimes are classified automatically based on collected machine data or by operators. In DPA, control programs are organized into a digital, versioned archive. DPA automatically compares the current version of the control program running on the machine with the reference version stored in the archive. When discrepancies are detected, the system instantly notifies relevant departments, allowing to prevent losses and avoid defects in the early stages of the production process. In case of accidents or incidents, DPA allows to quickly identify which program was active at the time of failure and analyze the corresponding G-code block and control program frame to accurately determine the cause of the problem. Upload control programs centrally from the DPA server directly onto connected machines right into the controller's file system. Make control programs optimal by adjusting the G-code based on frame-by-frame analysis. Describe the technological operations that make up product manufacturing tasks step by step. At each stage, the operator will receive all necessary design and technological documentation, instructions, as well as control programs. If operators still have questions, they can ask technologists, supervisors, or other specialists in production through the operator's workstation and promptly receive an answer. Perfect the technology by considering statistical data from previous production runs. DPA automatically calculates planned duration norms for specific control program execution based on accumulated statistics of completed cycles, downtime reasons, real conditions, and equipment performance characteristics. Accurate time standards for control program execution enable the creation of optimal and feasible production plans. Create operational production plans in the planning module. Optimize key enterprise resources, work centers. Production order breakdown into tasks occurs based on product structures, technologies, and norms, with optimal assignment to work centers. Shift daily tasks are formed based on the production plan and distributed to operators and supervisors on the shop floor. Receiving feedback from the shop floor about actual production, DPA performs rescheduling to mitigate deviations from the original plan. Operators execute shift tasks in the operator workstation using information on orders, products, and production plans. For each task, design and technological documentation, along with the current version of the control program, are available. Operators can submit requests to the maintenance service, contact technologists, supervisors, or quality control department. The Tool Management module controls tools in warehouse and shop floor, tracks tools in machine magazines, records parameter changes. Product and batch manufacturing is linked to the tools used, considering their operating time and wear. By continuously monitoring cutting tool condition, you ensure timely replacement of worn tools, which in turn will save on equipment repair and replacement, minimize equipment downtime and ensure production process continuity, maintain consistent product processing quality. Configure performance indicators using your own formulas. Utilize KPI calculations based on machine and operational data. Efficiency coefficients are calculated in real time. Continuous monitoring of security events and system activity identifies anomalies and those responsible for incidents. Configure signals and promptly receive notifications about production events, whether it's an accident, operation under increased loads, or completion of a production task. The earlier you learn about them, the less negative impact they'll have on production. Create personalized dashboards. Choose which metrics and data to display to match specific tasks and roles. For example, operators may need data on current equipment status, while the director may prefer to see overall production. Efficiency indicators. Focus on key indicators. Configure dashboards to immediately see your critical metrics, improving decision-making speed and accuracy. Simplify monitoring and analysis. Quick access to necessary information reduces time spent on data search and analysis, increasing overall work productivity. 27 pre-installed reports cover 80% of enterprise needs. Or customize your own. DPA provides all necessary tools for this. DPA is a platform that easily adapts to the client's business processes. It provides various customization tools, including low-level ones, such as writing scripts in C#, as well as a codeless approach, where processes are assembled from ready-made blocks in a graphical interface. DPA easily fits into the architecture and seamlessly integrates with other systems in the enterprise. DPA can be deployed on a Linux platform using Postgres databases, and it works perfectly on Microsoft Windows and Microsoft SQL Server. The economic impact of DPA varies for each enterprise. Typical payback period is 3 months. Main results: reduction of equipment downtime, defect reduction, strict adherence to technology, reduction of human error, prevention of negligence and sabotage, formation of optimal production plans, reduction of repair costs, minimization of tool breakage incidents, quick response to incidents and deviations, complete digital operational picture of production. Contact us. We will be happy to answer all your questions. Conduct a personal presentation, deploy a demo version, and you will see how DPA can optimize your business processes. Wishing you successful digitalization.